Julio, and I'm going to show you a couple of floor exercises for your core. Let's bear in mind that your core, for me, includes your hips and your shoulder blades and all the muscles in between. And then think of it as a trunk of a tree. If this part of your body is strong, everything else will branch out. I made that up. That sounds pretty good. So I'm going to show you, you probably already know about planks, side planks. Let's see some variations. So here, we are going to do a clam position. So if you had an injury in the past, you probably have done this plenty of times. You put the band around your knee, you do a whole bunch of reps, and your back should be against the wall. Let's add a plank to that. So my elbow's underneath my shoulder. You can use your hand to support yourself or not. I prop up, my hand is up, I push down, drive my hips forward. There it is. So if you want more challenge, you put the band around your knees, but you want to keep your hips up and you stop if you feel your lower back. Having some hand support is okay. Again, drive your hips forward. That's part one. Next thing, we're going to flip to the floor and I'm going to show you a bird dog variation that also gets your shoulder blades. So traditional bird dog, neutral neck, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. I draw on my navel. I'm going to extend my left leg, my foot flex, my hips facing the floor. The crown of my skull is facing that way. Watch my right arm. Fingertip up, thumb, exhale, and then down. While I'm doing this, I'm conscious that I'm pulling back my right shoulder blade. And I'm not allowing my hip to turn out too much. So I show again, up, down, up, down. That's a pretty good exercise. And the next thing, I'm going to show you a low plank with straight leg raise. My elbows underneath my shoulders, my foot's flexed. My right foot's completely flexed, and here's a range. That's for your glutes. Straightforward. You can add another little guy, you can add to the side too. So let's show a variation if you have trouble getting off the floor. So we can also do that low plank with the glute extension on the box. So the only difference is it's actually a high plank. I draw on my navel, my foot's flexed. So what I'm going to strongly suggest, when you raise your leg up, it's a very small range of motion. So once my right foot passes my heel on my left side, I stop. Last thing, bear crawls. What I'm going to show for our purposes is just how to set up an isometric hold, and I may show a side leg one, I probably will. So it's pretty straightforward. I want you to set up like a bird dog, or quadruped. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, feet flexed. Here he goes. My knees are slightly off. I look straight down, hold that 5 to 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Repeat that about 3 times. And then you should be ready to go sideways. There's my internal rotation again. I go out. And we can also go back. Enjoy.